Hey everybody! I'm here today to do a review of this Makita 16-inch electric chainsaw. The specific model number of this unit is EBOOK4051A, and I recently purchased this chainsaw and I used it and it worked really well, so I figured that I would review it for you in this video. It is a 14.5 amp chainsaw. It gives you a lot of power and it allows you to cut things down with ease. If you're cutting down a branch, trimming a tree, getting rid of a tree stump or a tree trunk, or just cutting down a tree in general, it's going to work really well. It has an electric brake, which means that when you're using it, as soon as you release the lever, instead of it slowing down by itself, it's going to purposely brake, which is fantastic. It allows you to be more productive and it adds a layer of safety as well, okay? If you take a look over here, it has this guard, which is super useful because you don't have to worry about the branches coming and hitting your hand. It has a rubberized grip over here, which allows it to be super comfortable to hold. I will say the great amount of power that it has comes with some added weight. It is decently heavy, but you know what? It's a trade-off. It's very difficult for you to find a super powerful electric chainsaw. Remember, it's not battery. It's not a battery-powered chainsaw. It's not a gas-powered chainsaw. It's an electric-powered chainsaw. So it's hard for you to find a super powerful electric chainsaw that's this big, 16 inches, that's going to be lightweight. It just doesn't exist. This is quite light considering the power that you have, but nonetheless, it's going to be difficult for you to hold this for hours on end, okay? I ended up using it for about, I'd say 45 minutes straight, and I would use it for a few minutes, put it down. Use it for a few minutes, put it down, and so forth, okay? Super convenient feature is the oil indicator over here. If you take a look on this side over here, you can see there's a little window to see how much oil you have left, to know when you have to refill it. It offers a toolless blade adjustment, okay, or chain adjustment, I should say. So essentially, if the chain is too loose and you want to tighten it, you can do it without a tool, using just the lever over here, the knob over here, that you can remove and you turn to loosen this piece, and then you can bring the blade forward to tighten up the chain, or you can also use it to loosen the chain if that's what you want to do, okay? Super useful. Like I said, it's just, you fill up the oil on this side too, right over here. It's just a great overall chainsaw. The one thing that I will say that impressed me the most was how much power it had, okay? I've used probably 10 electric chainsaws in my life. I'm gonna be honest with you. Every time I've had to cut down a tree or trim a tree, I've borrowed a friend or family member's electric chainsaw. I've never bought one for myself. So it's always been one that I've borrowed from someone, okay? And they've all been decent. But this was the first one I said, listen, you know what? I gotta go buy one for myself. I felt bad for just constantly borrowing people's tools. So I said, I'll go buy one for myself. So I went and I basically said, I'm gonna get, what I consider to be top of the line for residential homeowner use, do-it-yourself-for use. I got this one right here, which is perfect for any do-it-yourselfer or any professional, and it worked so well. It was like, it just cut right through the wood. It was unbelievable, okay? Unbelievable how well it worked. That's basically it, and that's why I wanted to review it, because I was so impressed with it. Super comfortable to hold, super easy to hold, like I said, rubberized grips, just really ergonomic for your hands so your hands aren't going to cramp up. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.